Hello, welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. I will be reading relationship cards and career cards for Capricorn in June 2025. So let's first check for relationship in the past, present, and future. You have the Knight of Wands, so great times. Four of Cups, getting lost in illusions in the past, a little bit of emotional disturbance or over emotionality as the moon shows in the past towards a particular person in your life. And you have the Knight of Cups in the present. You've got the Ten of Swords in the present, so a stagnation, a period of losing out on yourself or losing out on the situation. Hierophant, a need to stick to traditional values. Probably this person in your life is opposed to your beliefs. Maybe your values don't accord, and Three of Cups in the future, a need to take responsibility. Magician in the future, and Five of Swords in the future. A few fights, a few arguments, a few disagreements, and you've got Two of Wands in the outcome position. So a need to explore. So let's analyze the cards. You have Knight of Wands, Four of Cups, and Moon in the past. So the Knight of Wands is looking away from the Four of Cups. So despite overthinking and imagining and being in a world of illusions, it's not leading to creativity in the relationship because the Knight of Wands is looking away from the Four of Cups, and there's an over emotionality for this person. And then there is the Knight of Cups looking into the Ten of Swords and the Hierophant. So your values probably don't align, or probably there is a discord in your belief system, but all is not lost because the Knight of Cups is supports emotions. And in the future you have Three of Pentacles, Magician, and Five of Swords. There may be arguments, fights. There's a need to take responsibility. As the Magician shows, there's a need to harmonize and bring into balance all the elements of your life. The Two of Wands shows that you should keep exploring options, or probably look for new ways to do the same old things. Try to do things differently. Let's see what's in the shadow. In the shadow, you have the Lovers. So despite all the odds, there is definitely love in the relationship. There is definitely a lot of commitment in the relationship. And let's see what justifies these cards. You have the Knight of Pentacles, a period of creativity and stillness and stability. So that's my reading for Capricorn for relationships in June 2025. Let's see what the cards say for career in June 2025. You've got the Four of Cups. You've got the Ten of Swords. You've got the Knight of Cups. You've got the Seven of Wands. You've got the Five of Swords again. So definitely you are in some kind of conflict with yourself. Some kind of conflict brewing within you. Maybe old values don't accord with the new information you're gaining out of life. And you have the Hierophant. Then you have the Eight of Wands. You have the Page of Pentacles. And you have the Ace of Swords. And let's see what's in the outcome position. You have the Three of Cups. So let's analyze the cards. You've got the Four of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Knight of Cups in the past. So definitely you've gone through a tough time as far as your career, your job, or your business is concerned. You face some kind of defeat, some kind of disillusionment with how things were going. And as the Knight of Cups shows, you know, you're walking away from the situation in all creativity and trying to count your losses as shown by the Seven of Wands. And this is looking into the Five of Swords. So there is definitely a fight to gain ground and to, you know, regain your values and your traditions as far as your career is concerned. And then you have in the future the Eight of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. This shows a need to be practical and logical and reasonable, and help is definitely arriving as shown by the Eight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. Help is definitely arriving out of all your messes. The Three of Cups in the outcome position shows that there will be a time of celebration and good times are in the offing. Let's see what's in the shadow. In the shadow, you have the Two of Cups. So definitely great commitment towards your work, towards your values, towards what you envision your life to be. There's a great commitment to that path. So that's my reading for Capricorn for June 2025. Let me know in the comments what you think about the reading, how June 2025 goes for you. And if you want a more personalized reading, you can check the details in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I look forward to reading more for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure reading for you, Capricorn. Wish you a great June 2025.